6 types of human emotions and the psychology behind them. There are different types of emotions that affect how we live and how we relate to others. Sometimes we seem to be dominated by these emotions. Our decisions, actions, and perceptions are all influenced by the emotions we are experiencing at the moment. Psychologists have attempted to identify the different types of emotions that people experience. Several different theories have emerged to categorize and explain those emotions. In the 1970s, psychologist Paul Eckman identified 6 basic emotions that he believed were universally experienced across human cultures: happiness, sorrow, disgust, fear, surprise, anger. Let's see these human emotions in detail. 1. Happiness. Of all the different kinds of emotions, happiness is what people want most. Happiness is often defined as a comfortable emotional state characterized by feelings of contentment, joy, and euphoria. However, what we believe produces happiness is heavily influenced by culture. People have long believed that happiness and health are related, and research has supported the idea that happiness can play a role in both physical and mental health. 2. Sorrow. Sadness is another type of emotion and is often defined as a temporary emotional state characterized by feelings of disappointment, sadness, hopelessness, apathy, and depression. Like any other emotion, grief is something that everyone experiences from time to time. In some cases, one may experience long-lasting and profound grief that can turn into depression. Grief often leads people to engage in coping mechanisms, such as avoiding others, treating themselves, and thinking negative thoughts. It can exacerbate feelings of sadness and prolong the duration of those feelings. 3. Fear. Fear is a powerful emotion that can also play an important role in survival. When we face danger and feel fear, we experience the so-called fight or flight response. Your muscles will tone, your heart rate and breathing will increase, your mind will sharpen, and your body will be ready to run from danger or stand up and fight. Some people are sensitive to fear, and certain situations or objects may predispose them to trigger this feeling. 4. Disgust. Disgust is one of 6 basic emotions Eckman first described. Disgust can be demonstrated in a number of ways. Disgust can be caused by many things, such as unpleasant tastes, sights, or smells. Researchers believe this emotion evolved in response to potentially harmful or deadly foods. For example, a typical reaction to smelling or tasting spoiled food is disgust. Observing other behaviors we deem offensive, immoral, or evil can also lead to moral disgust. 5. Anger. Anger is a particularly powerful emotion characterized by hostility, excitement, frustration, and hostility toward others. Like fear, anger affects the body's fight or flight response. When threats provoke feelings of anger, you may tend to avoid danger and protect yourself. While anger is often thought of as a negative emotion, it can sometimes be a good thing. It can be constructive in helping clarify your needs in a relationship, and it can also motivate you to take action and find solutions to things that are bothering you. Anger can become a problem, however, when it is excessive or expressed in ways that are unhealthy, dangerous, or harmful to others. Uncontrolled anger can quickly turn to aggression, abuse, or violence. 6. Surprise. Surprise is usually quite brief and is characterized by a startling physiological response following something unexpected. This type of emotion can be positive, negative, or neutral. An unpleasant surprise, for example, might involve someone jumping out from behind a tree and scaring you as you walk to your car at night. Surprise is another type of emotion that can trigger the fight or flight response. When startled, people may experience a burst of adrenaline that helps prepare the body to either fight or flee. It can have important effects on human behavior. For example, research has shown that people tend to disproportionately notice surprising events. This is why surprising and unusual events in the news tend to stand out in memory more than others. Research has also found that people tend to be more swayed by surprising arguments and learn more from surprising information. The bottom line: emotions have a huge impact on our daily lives. We make decisions based on our emotions. Hence, understanding our emotions can help us navigate life with greater ease and stability. Thank you for watching the video. Please Please like, share, and let us know your thoughts in comments box.